Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with me, Christy. Today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt. We also need some equipment like a pot to boil the milk, a spatula to stir, a container with an airtight seal, small jars or containers to keep the yogurt in the fridge, large container to keep warm during fermentation. First, boil the milk. Keep stirring until it shows tiny bubbles on the surface. Put the milk in the container. Put the container in the yogurt maker and leave it fermented for 1 to 2 hours. If you don't have a yogurt maker, you can cover the container in a blanket and put it in the oven. Leave it fermented for 8 to 10 hours. Make sure you don't plug it in the oven. Hi, welcome back. After the fermentation, let's take out the container. Here is the yogurt. Look at the texture. You can add honey to make it sweet. It's yummy! Try it! I love it! Yummy! I like it. From 1 liter of milk, you can make 1 kilogram of yogurt. Why we take yogurt? Because I love yogurt. My brothers love yogurt. My parents, my grandma, my sister love yogurt. I love yogurt. I love yogurt. Love yogurt.
We love yogurt. We love yogurt.
People say yogurt has some healthy benefits. It can build stronger teeth and bones. It can help our digestive system. It can boost our immune system. And it can control our blood pressure. So, make your own yogurt and gain your health. If you think this video is beneficial, please click like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Goodbye.